Good morning and welcome to Mike's Locomotive Shed in sunny Surrey. Now today we got two guests. One you already know, the good old Mammut came back. Didn't go really well on the tracks. Fire was all over the place and it started to melt the servo. So I will show you. The fire went all over the place, over here, etc., through here and underneath there. So I need to check what's going on there. Maybe just an adjustment with the Venturi. I'm not 100% sure. Must be. I mean, these things, they're working in so many locomotives, but still has to be investigated. It also didn't warm up properly, so the valve, despite I tried to engage it, it didn't really pop. Yeah, so I didn't have enough pressure. Usually you can see in the side glass that is bubbling up as well, which it didn't. That's the result that I didn't have much power for not a long time. Another guest we have today is this little GE25 ton. As you can see here, the coupling was already changed to this chain ones to match it up in future with these ones. However, on a test drive I've discovered that it pushes, when you go backwards, it pushes the very light, if you've got some light rolling stock, it pushes it off the tracks if you go through curves. Yeah, so what I will do is I will make a angle, or well, I will make a piece of part to fit those ones with a proper buffer, so that it can push correctly the rolling stock, and I should do the job. Let's see how it goes. So I've cut them out to 20 mil, ground it down to make exactly 20 mil. Also radius it on the corners and deburred it. Got no sharp edges, so it will fit nicely in there. Now I have to drill the correct holes and trim it down to the correct size to make everything a nice fit. So far I've prepared the first part of it. Now I have to start to drill the holes, see how it's lining up, and then I will prepare the second part. So I drill it out with a 3.5 mil drill. Give it a little bit of wiggle room. It's a 3mm screw. However, giving 0.5 mil tolerance is more than desirable, so that fits nicely. Now I have to find the right position for the front and then drill it again. So one side is done, next will follow soon. So that's the end result now. Buffers are fitted. Looks really nice. So stay tuned for more next week when we go back to the Mammut SL1 to find out what's going on with the gas burner. I still got plan number 2 to eventually get a methylated spirit burner, if I can't get this thing running as I want to, because it's going to be far too much headache. Should be literally straightforward with these parts. I'm still not 100% convinced about Bigs, because when I've received the parts, I should have returned it because it wasn't straight. The bracket, the mounting bracket, yeah, wasn't 100% happy with that. Next time perhaps I should be a little bit more critical. But anyway, stay tuned. If you like the channel, put the like button and subscribe it. See you soon. Bye bye.